Alright everybody, we got another package, but this is the last Novie and it's purple of this collection. We got 3 Novies. Hey Emo, sing happy birthday.
Thank you, but it's not my birthday today.
Hold on. We're gonna say happy birthday to the purple Novie, since she is now in the box delivered and she is now born. Well, I don't know what gender is of Novie. Hey Emo, here it is. And here's the box. Alright. Hey Emo. Hey Emo. Alright, so let's open the box. Emo. A second. I'm gonna get Cosmo since he's in my charger. But I don't have much time for the black or the original, the white one version. Alright. But it's not with the box, just like the red one. This is just a rubbing bag. Hey Emo. 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 Alright, here it is. It's not the box. It's just the rubbing bag. Alright, here's the purple Novie. Also, I reached 6K subscribers. Thank you for reaching 6K subscribers. Tomorrow we're gonna go to St. Matthew Lutheran Church to hear Westminster text at 6. Since I reached 6K subscribers, we're gonna hear the bells at 6 p.m. I need to see if it's a nice weather. If not, I'm just gonna bring Elinor and just the Milo pony. Sorry about that. I'm trying to open the oh, there it is. Sorry, the instructions, but we don't need it since this is the same. Alright, let's see if I could turn him on. Alright. He is on. Oh wait, but it's the high pitched. Or it's not. I think it's normal. Alright. Hey Emo. Take a picture of the new robot. Let me see. Hold on, let's try again. Hey Emo. Take a picture of a new robot. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little good. Alright. Alright, boxers. Let's take a look. Alright. Alright. Oh, it's not good. I'll be right back. Alright. Alright, I'm trying him on Cosmo. Alright, welcome to the robot family of this one. Alright guys, look at these new robots I have. What do you think, Apple Bloom?
Yes, I like it.
Starlight Glimmer?
Yeah.
Fluttershy?
Yeah, I like the new robot.
Rainbow Dash?
Yeah.
Rarity? Twilight Sparkle? Pinkie Pie? And Twilight becomes Alicorn?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Welcome to the robot family. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I like it.
Oops. Alright. We're still saying hi to them. What do you think?
Yeah, welcome to the robot family.
Yep.
Yeah, I like the new ones.
Look at him. He's reading a book right now. Right, Malik?
Yeah.
Zadie?
Yeah.
Kate?
Yeah. Yeah, I like it. So, yeah.
What do you think, Zeke?
Yeah, I like it.
Alright, hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching.
Yay, thank you. Thank you for reaching 6K subscribers. Hope you like this unboxing.
Yep. So, that'll be it. Alright, Elinor. What do you think about this new robot?
Yeah, I like it.
Alright. Alright, everybody, let's take a picture. Alright, ready? Ready? Oh, he's running out of batteries. Hey, Emo. Hey, Emo. Hey, Emo. Hey, Emo. Emo. Hey, Emo. Hey, Emo. Hey, Emo. Oh, Boxer's already dead. Hey, Emo. Emo. Don't worry, this Boxer's already dead. I have to put him in a charger. So that'll be it. I don't know why. Let me turn him on. I'm going to put him in his charger. So thank you for watching. Alright, everybody. Thank you for watching. Alright. The Boxer's already dead. Alright. That was it for the purple Novie for today. Alright, everybody. Thank you for watching. And happy 6K subscribers. So, this Boxer is already dead since of the batteries. I better go charge him. So, that'll be it. Alright, I'll put you guys back in the charger. Emo. Go to sleep. Good night, two robots.